Hey guys, so quick video today just to show you a little workshop tip. I think you'll like this one. So I'm masking off one of the octopus skulls for painting, and the stuff that I'm using to do the masking is, you'll be surprised, silly putty. So this stuff works really well for masking. It doesn't peel off, like it doesn't stick onto the item, and it loves to stick to itself. So you can just tear off a piece like this, and you can get it nice and thin as well, and see how it's not sticking to my fingers. So it doesn't really stick to anything else but itself, but it does lay down quite nicely. And you just get your sculpting tools like this and like this, and just gently push it in. And it works great for edges as well. If you use tools like this, you can get quite nice edging on that. And like I said, it does stick to itself quite nicely. And it does hold the shape quite nicely as well. So you do your edging with this stuff, and then for the bigger, so this whole head area will be covered. So for this, I would probably just use like a masking tape, nice and easy, just tape it all around. But for your fine edge work, highly recommend Silly Putty. And I haven't tried other brands, but this is the original Silly Putty brand that comes in the egg shape, and this is the flesh skin color. So I haven't tried the other colors as well, but from what I've been recommended, this stuff works great, the best, and I've been using it for quite some time for if I need to do any sort of masking. So yeah, quick video today. Definitely a really handy tip that I use all the time when I'm doing fine detail work on paint job. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I thought I'd quickly show you guys me removing the masking silly putty. So just on the bottom part of the octo skull, it's all been painted, and now we just remove the silly putty carefully. And the best way to do this is to grab a bit of fresh putty and then just stick it on there and pull it off. And you do want to be careful you don't pull off some of the edging area where the paint is. And any bits, small bits like that, just grab some putty and use it to suck it up, because it loves to stick to itself but nothing else. These little areas, don't pick them off, grab a chunk like this and just dab it off. And it looks like I missed a spot here. It's alright. So I think this little spot here, that's where I forgot to putty up. It's alright. But yeah, it works really well. You just want to clean the edges up by dabbing the edges with more putty. So yeah, try not to pick it up with your fingers, but instead push more putty in the crevices and suck it out. It does a great job. So there you go. Nice clean edges. Ready for the top coat. Now before applying more paint, because silly putty is a petroleum based product, you might see some shiny areas where the putty has left some oily sections. So that oily residue, it might cause problems with your paint adhering. So before I paint, I will just gently wipe everything down with water and a soft microfiber rag, just to try and remove some of that oily parts.